My silk press was getting a little oily, so I decided to do a Flexi rod set on it. This is what I used, and guys, this was actually a year ago when I first combed out my locks. These are the different sizes of rods that I use. I split my hair down the middle, and then I was like, what the heck? I'm just gonna wing it. I put my hair into 4 sections, and then I started to roll my hair up. But guys, this is actually supposed to be day 7's video. And my daily confession for today is that I felt terrible yesterday when I didn't post this video, but I was out and about, and outside trying to be grown. And when I got in the house, it was so late that I didn't even attempt to post this video because I was like, if I post it, I'm literally just going to post a video and no audio. And maybe I could have did that, but I just really, really wanted to do my best. And I felt so down yesterday because I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't post. I broke my challenge. But you know what? I'm going to post day 7 today and maybe post 2 videos on Wednesday or Thursday when I have some extra downtime. This hairstyle, you guys, like, it came out really cute, but I just did not like it. And you'll see why at the end. But this was my very first time giving myself a Flexi rod set right after I combed my locks out. Oh my gosh, looking back on these videos, my hair looks so healthy and long, and I don't know what happened. I mean, I did cut my hair. I did cut it just because like I wanted it to look a little fuller. When I combed out my locks, it was because my hair was thinning. And although my hair looks really good right here, it's still thin. So I did give myself a haircut. Not too well, I didn't give it to myself, but I went to the hair salon, and it wasn't too much shorter. Maybe like to my shoulder. So I guess I did cut like 4 or 5 inches off. But yeah, this was my very first time doing that, and I just was like, I can't believe that it came out the way it did. Even when editing this video, I literally was like, oh my gosh, my curl pattern looks so much healthier. Like the spring on it was so much better, or the elasticity rather, was so much better. But I think that during that time also, my hair was so fresh out of locks that it was just getting used to being loose. And I was also going to my hairstylist more frequent. I don't know. I have been applying a lot of heat, so I think that I'm going to start testing out roller set styles because I really do like my hair straight, and I feel like it grows faster and gets less tangled when it's straight. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Love you so much. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. And I was taking my hair out in the car because I literally left these in until the very last minute. But go ahead and subscribe and like this video if you found it informative, or if you just liked it, if you want to vibe with me. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment because I want to get to know you guys and talk to you guys too. Anyway, love you. Honestly, when I first like was plucking my curls out, I was like, I don't know how I feel about this. So yeah, I mean, I still feel like that, but like it's kind of growing on me. I guess with like just me getting used to like my hair being curly again. I don't know. It's just giving like poodle or something. Like, I don't know. I don't know what it's giving, but the length is still there. Okay, guys, so I've been out all day. These are my curls. I didn't even pick them out yet, like, but I only have like a comb, so I'm going to like try to like fluff it out as much as I can with my comb in the morning though, since I didn't like. This is definitely growing on me though. I don't know. I feel like when I comb it out, like the roots, like it will look better. It look much better. But I'm gonna do that in the morning, and then I'll come back in the morning and let you guys see how it turned out when I fluff out my roots, because right now it still looks like that. I pretty much just split my curls. I didn't fluff anything out. or pick anything out or whatever. So we'll see. But yeah, this is how it looks fresh off the curls, fresh off the flexi rods. Okay guys, so transparent moment. I actually really hate my hair. And I don't know if it's because I'm trying to get used to like my hair being this way or what, but yeah, I didn't even pick it out this morning because I don't know guys, I just really don't know how to feel about it. It's like I almost like it, but then I don't. I think the next time that I do this style, I'm gonna try it on like freshly blow dried hair, or just like my hair already like wet and curly, because I think that like doing it on the silk press was just, I don't know, it's not full enough for me. So yeah, it's just really not giving for me.